Hello students, welcome to class 8. We are going to see exercise 5.4 quadrilateral. What is meant by quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a plane figure bounded by 4-line segment. To construct a quadrilateral, we need 5 independent measurement. Area of quadrilateral equal to half into D into H1 plus H2 square unit. So to construct the quadrilateral, we need the 5 independent measurement. We'll move to the exercise. Your first question. Your first question, construct the quadrilateral and find its area. Your quadrilateral is ABCD. AB equal to 5 cm, BC equal to 4.5, CD equal to 3.8, DA equal to 4.4 and AC equal to 6.2. First draw the quadrilateral and mark the measurement. AB equal to 5, BC equal to 4.5 and CD equal to 3.8, DA equal to 4.4, AC equal to 6.2. If you see here, they given 4 sides and a diagonal. So this question is 4 sides and diagonal. First take AB. Five centimeter. Then B and C equal to 4.5. So using compass and scale, take 4.5. B as a center, cut an arc at C. Then A and C equal to 6.2 centimeter. A as a center, cut an arc at C. Then join AC and BC. Then write the measurement 4.5 centimeter, 6.2 centimeter. Next, with C as a center, you have to cut 3.8 at D. Then A as center, cut 4.4 at D. Join AD and CD. Now you want to find the height. So keep the scale on the diagonal. Move the set square to 90 degree. Draw the dotted line. Same way, take the next side. Measure H1 and H2. H1 is equal to 2.8 centimeter. H2 is equal to 3.4 centimeter. D equal to 6.2 centimeter. Therefore, area of quadrilateral of into d into h1 plus h2 square unit of into 6.2 into 2.8 plus 3.4. So if you cancel here 3.1 into 8 plus 4 is 12, carry 1 6. So multiple 62 into 31. 1 2s are 2, 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 18, 2, 2 1 9, 19.22 centimeter square. Next question, your quadrilateral is play. PL is equal to 7, LA equal to 6, AY equal to 6, PA equal to 8. Next quadrilateral is play. PL equal to 7 centimeter, LA equal to 6, AY equal to 6, PA equal to 8, LY equal to 7 centimeter. First draw the rough figure and mark the measurement PLAY. PL equal to 7 and LA they given 6 centimeter, AY equal to 6 centimeter, PA equal to 8. That is they given the diagonal P and A equal to 8 centimeter and L and Y equal to 7 centimeter. So this question is 3 sides and 2 diagonals. First PA equal to 7 centimeter. P and L equal to 7 centimeter and then L and A equal to 6. So L as a center, cut an arc 6 centimeter at A. And then P and A equal to 8 centimeter. Take 8 centimeter at P as a center, cut an arc. Then join PA and LA. 8 centimeter, here 6 centimeter, this is your A. Next if you see here, L and Y equal to 7 centimeter. So L as a center, cut an arc at Y 7 centimeter and A as a center you have to cut 6 centimeter at Y. Then join AY and PY. Then hold the scale on the diagonal and move the set square to 90 degree. Mark 90 degree without fail. Take the measurement. H1 is equal to 1.5 centimeter. H2 is equal to 5 centimeter. D is equal to 8 centimeter. Area of quadrilateral is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2, half into 8 into 1 plus 5 plus 5. Here 2 table, 2 fours are 4 into 6.5 is equal to 26 centimeter square. Next question, PQRS. PQ is equal to QR is equal to 3.5 centimeter, R is equal to 5.2, SP equal to 5.3 and the angle Q is equal to 120. So first draw the rough diagram. PQ is equal to 3.5. Then at Q 120 degree, Q and R is equal to 3.5. R and S equal to 5.2 and S and P equal to 5.3. So using this rough diagram, we are going to draw the quadrilateral. First draw PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeter. 20 degree. 120 is an obtuse angle. That means above 90 degree. So if you see here, this is your 90 degree. Above 90 is 100, 110, 120. You have to see the upper value. Then draw a line and mark the ray Q1 T. Now Q and R is equal to 3.5 centimeter. At Q, cut an arc 3.5 centimeter. R and S equal to 5.2. Then P and S equal to 5.3. Join RS and then SP. R is equal to 5.2 centimeter and SP equal to 5.3 centimeter. Now you have to measure the diagonals. Diagonal, if you see here, you are getting 6 centimeter. D value equal to 6 centimeter. Now take the height. Hold the scale on the diagonal and move the set square to 90 degree. Draw the dotted lines. Same way. Now measure H1. H1 is equal to 4.2 centimeter and H2 is equal to 2 centimeter. H1 4.2 centimeter, H2 is equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore, area of quadrilateral So substitute the value in the formula. Half into D value is 6 into 4.2 plus 2, which is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6, 6.2. Therefore 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18. 18.6 centimeter square. Centimeter at angle M equal to 50 degree. Then M and D equal to 4 centimeter, N and D equal to 4 centimeter, angle D equal to 100 degree. Now draw the quadrilateral. First 3.6 centimeter, M, I, 3.6 centimeter. Then angle M 50 degree. 50 degree is the acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. So less than 90 degree. Here it's 90 means less than 90 degree. You have to mark it here. Then draw the line. And mark T. Next, M and D equal to 4 centimeter. Using compass, take 4 centimeter at M, cut an arc on the ray, that is D. MD equal to 4 centimeter. Now at D you have to take 100 degree. So turn the note. Keep the protractor. 100 degree is the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means more than 90. More than here 90 means more than 90. You have to mark it here this side. Then draw. Then draw the line. ND is equal to 4 centimeter. So again take 4 centimeter from D, cut an arc. Then join the I and N. So here 100 degree, 50 degree, then 4 centimeter. Now you have to mark, take the diagonals. Diagonal 6.2. D is equal to 6.2 centimeter. Then you know to take height. Keep the scale on the diagonal. Then move the set square to 90 degree. Then the same way take the height of the other side. H1 is equal to 2.6 centimeter. H2 is equal to 0.8 centimeter. Therefore, area of quadrilateral. H1 plus H2 square unit. D value is 6.2. 2.6 plus 0.8. 1 by 2 into 6.2 into 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 carry 1. 3.4. So if you cancel here 3.1, then multiple 34 into 31. 1 4s are 4. 3, 12, 10. Which is equal to 10.54 centimeter square. Question: agree AG is equal to 4.5 centimeter, GR equal to 3.8, angle A 60 degree, angle G 110, angle R 90 degree. Draw the rough figure AG or I. AG equal to 4.5 centimeter, and angle at A, angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle G equal to 110, angle R equal to 90 degree. Now first take A and G equal to 4.5 centimeter. Then at G 110 degree. 110 is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means above 90 degree. So here you have to mark. And mark it X. Then G and R equal to 3.8 centimeter. So at G as a center, cut an arc at R 3.8 centimeter. Then turn the note and take 90 degree. At R 90 degree. Draw the line, mark it 90 degree, and then at A 60 degree. 60 is an acute angle which is less than 90 degree. So you have to mark it here. Which is equal to 60 degree. Now you have to draw the, take diagonal. Diagonal is equal to 6.6. Diagonal equal to 6.8. D equal to 6.8 centimeter. Now you have to take, now hold the scale on the diagonal and move the set square to 90 degree. measure h1. h1 is equal to 2.7 centimeter and h2 is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Complete the calculation part as a homework. Thank you, students. Next we move to the construct the following trapezium with the given measurement and find its area. First, what is meant by trapezium? A quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides parallel is called a trapezium. To construct a trapezium, 4 independent measurements we need. Then the formula for trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b, where h is equal to height and a and b are the length of the parallel side. Now we'll move to the first question. Aims with AI is parallel to SM. AI is equal to 6 centimeter, IM is equal to 5 centimeter, AM equal to 9, M is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So using the given measurement, first draw the rough figure. Draw the rough figure. AI is equal to 6 centimeter, IM equal to 5 centimeter, AM equal to 9 centimeter, M is equal to 6.5 centimeter. If you see here, you can see 3 sides and 1 diagonal. To construct a trapezium, we need only 4 independent measurements. First, draw AI is equal to 6 centimeter. And then take 9 centimeter cut an arc. Then MI equal to 5 centimeter. Join AI, then MI. Then draw a parallel line and mark X. Then M and S equal to 6.5 centimeter. Take 6.5 centimeter at M, cut an arc at S. Join A and S. Here 6.5 centimeter, 9 centimeter. This side 5 centimeter. Now area of trapezium equal to half into h into a plus b square unit. Now you have to find out the h value. Keep the scale and then move the set square to 90 degree. Draw the dotted line. Then take H. H is equal to 4.8 centimeter. A value 6 centimeter and B equal to 6.5 centimeter. Half into H value is 4.8 into 6 plus 6.5. So if you cancel here, 2.4. 2.4 into 6 plus 6 is 12. 12.5. Now multiple and write down the answer. 125 into 24. 4 5s are 20. Carry 2. 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 4 5. Then 0. Carry 1. 4 5. Then 2. 0 0. Your answer is 30 centimeter square. Second question, cute. With CU parallel to ET, CU equal to 7. Angle UCE equal to 80 degrees, C equal to 6 centimeter and T equal to 5 centimeter. First draw the rough figure and mark the measurement CUTE. CU equal to 7 centimeter. Then see the middle letter C. At C you have to take 80 degree. Then C and E equal to 6 centimeter. T and E equal to 5 centimeter. Now we'll construct the trapezium. CU equal to 7 centimeter. Then at C take 80 degree. 80 degree is a acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90. That means you have to take inside that 90. Here you have to mark 80 degree. Then draw a ray and mark X. C and E equal to 6 centimeter. Cut an arc at E. Then draw the parallel line. Trapezium army with AR parallel to YM. AR equal to 7 centimeter. RM equal to 6.5. Angle A equal to 100 degree. Angle R equal to 60 degrees. Draw the rough figure. ARMY. AR equal to 7 centimeter and RM equal to 6.5 centimeter. At R 60 degree. Then angle A equal to 100 degree. Now we'll do the sum. First take AR equal to 7 centimeter. Then at R mark an angle 60 degree. 60 degree is an acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means you have to mark it here. Draw the line and write X or X. Then with the R and M 6.5 centimeter. Take 6.5 centimeter. R as a center. Cut at arc at M. Then draw the parallel line and mark the ray M and Y. Then angle A equal to 100 degree. Therefore, $100 is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is more than 90. Therefore, you have to mark it here. Then draw the line. Now take height. Measure the h value. H is equal to 5.6. A equal to 7 centimeter. So you have to find out the B value. Measure B. B equal to 4.8. So if you cancel 2.8 into 7 plus 4 is 11.8 multiple. Days are 64, carry 6, 8 ones are 8, 14 carry 1, 8, 9, 16, 1, 33.04 centimeter square. Next, trapezium, CT. CI is parallel to YT. CI equal to 7 centimeter. IT equal to 5.5 centimeter. TY equal to 4 centimeter. YC equal to 6 centimeter. Draw the rough diagram and mark the measurement. CI 7, I and T 5.5, T and Y 4 centimeter, Y and C 6 centimeter. C I 7 centimeter. Then mark A as CE equal to mark A on C and T. CE equal to 4 centimeter. CA equal to 4 centimeter. Then take 6 centimeter at A center, cut an arc at T. Then I and T equal to 5.5 centimeter. Then T and Y equal to 4 centimeter. Cut CY equal to 6 centimeter. Then join CY and TY. Hold the scale on the base. Move the set square to 90 degree to measure height. H is equal to 5.5. A equal to A equal to 7 centimeter and B equal to 4 centimeter. Area of trapezium of into H into A plus B square unit. Of into 5.5 into 7 plus 4. Of into 5.5 into 7 plus 4 is 11. If you cancel this, 2 2s are 0.27s are 5. Then multiple 275 into 11. 572. 572. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1. Therefore, your answer is 30.25 centimeter square. So, complete all the sums in 192 long size unruled note.